Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So let's keep going.
So hello guys, you can see on my balance $1, only $1. We're gonna try again to make much more from this amount, and I guess it's gonna be like the first part of it. We'll see how much we can make from $1. Let's get started. We're working on a 1 minute time frame as usual, and we will start from $1. I'll repeat it again. I'll pick out the following indicators. They reside with the period of 5 and the super trend and the fractal. So during this video you will learn how to succeed in trading using these indicators, and you will understand the principle of my strategy. So let's get down to trading, guys, and find the first currency pair. Let me just check what we have today. We also try to pick out the better payout rate. Well, let's analyze what we got here, and let's open a long position here. Select the workspace. This is our first trade in the framework of our challenge. So we see that our RSI is currently in the oversold zone. That's why we're expecting a breakout. The super trend indicates that we should open along. We also see a good correction. Let me point out the correction is here, and we see here a good touch of the support zone. That's why we're gonna expect the breakout to the upside. Why not? So let's just watch by the results. 20 seconds left and we're going up. 10 seconds left. Let's just watch the price movement. This is our tradition. To close first position is in profit, right? And we did it. Our first position from $1 gets into the profit. We got a $1.84. That's kind of cute. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue analysis. I guess I can't even tell you for sure where we're gonna stop today. Overall, I'm fine with the market behavior. Here, probably the best course of action would be to open along. I rely on the super trend. The position to the upside just flashed. I mean our green moving average, right? And generally we can conclude that the local high is way above the current price movement, and the breakout of this zone is very likely to happen, and the price should go even higher in the future. Exactly as I predicted, I guess that will be. Let's see. Yes, you can see that candle. It goes far away up there. So I guess the super trend has most likely helped us out here to detect this trade entry, and we opened long because of it showing up here, right? That's why this indicator works. So however, if it weren't for this indicator, we could open a short position here in theory, because the support zone takes place here. But anyway, perfect trade entry, and our position is in profit. Let's update the trade amount and carry on our trading session. And let's continue, guys. Let's continue. Pick out a next trade entry. We see good correction to the downside. Then why not? Let's open along. So great impulse to the downside, as I said, and I'm sure that it will lead to a new impulse to the upside. Of course, the super trend is also telling us about upward dynamics, and overall we're gonna watch the continuation of the trend. So yeah, let's just watch. There we go. I think this is the right trade entry here, guys. You can see that we analyzed this correction perfectly, and there are 20 seconds left before the closing. And also don't forget about the Telegram channel, guys. You will find there a lot of useful information, strategies, news, and a lot of more. You may find the links below in the description. I'm gonna waiting for you there. You can text me or my manager. I'll help you. We'll make it again together. With the VIP group, I will add you, of course. So we got a $6. Meanwhile, let's put down all the money here and continue our trading. Stop talking. We're not gonna drag this out. We will pick out next concept and carry on the analysis, right? So here we see the touch of the resistance zone and the updating of the local high. For now, we're not gonna open here. No, here, not quite time. I see a potential reversal seems to be happening in theory. So why not let's open the long position, guys, here. In theory, again, we understand the RSI dynamics. The crossing of the oversold zone is happening and the impulse to the upside should follow up. Here also the updating of the local low, and basically we could have seen correction or a small pullback like right here, you know. And why not, guys? Why not? Let's try to play out this moment and open a long position. We're seeing good breakout here already. So we're in a profit, guys. Let's continue. Pick up the next currency pair. Well, let's see what do we got here. I see a potential long position. So here we go. Why not? We open a long position following the trend direction. Overall, here's a good dynamics on the RSI. The upward dynamics that took place early on, then a little, quite good correction, sorry, to the downside. Here's the super trend shows up from the upward zone that indicates an opportunity to open a long. Yeah, and I guess we're likely to see the continuation of the upward dynamics. That's why we open a long here, guys. That's why you understand it. You must. We see this intense pump and there are 20 seconds left before the closing. 20 seconds now. Generally, if we see the super trend showing up, then we'd better open a position. Whether long or short depends on the color of the line. Basically, we just follow this principle, open a trade and fix the profit. As simple as that, guys. And you can see the result by yourself. We're fixing the profit. Again, guys, let's change the trade amount and continue our trading. Find the better trade entry. So, well, let's consider something in here. Maybe we see a good correction to the downside, so we're open along. Point out the workspace. We see that our RSI on the bottom, and we're gonna wait for the breakout. Also here we got a very good correction that seems to be over. The local low is gonna be updated at this point and the price should go up. Also, the super trend tells us that it's more effective to open long, and that's exactly what we did here, guys. We opened a long position. Now here's the downward dynamics prevails, but we got a nice trade entry. Also, the candle is red. 10 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch the price movement, and I guess we will be next 3 seconds in position, in a profit. And nice, we're in the profits. Awesome trade entry just near the super trend line. So let's update and continue our trading session, right? Pick out the next currency pair. So let's just see what do we got here. Let's analyze. We have already opened the long here before, so we slow down here a little bit. Theoretically, here also a good correction. So yeah, let's open the long position here according to the trend direction. Here we got a nice touch with the upward zone, guys. Also the chart shows us a good volume here and also good volume right here. So if we take a look at the super trend, then we'd better open the long. And that's exactly what we did here. We opened the long following the current trend. We are seeing a good breakout already, and there's 25 seconds left before the closing. We're doing great, guys, right? Right. So let's just wait for the outcome. And also, guys, don't forget about subscriptions. I see how many of you watching me, but the subscribers is just kind of sad. That makes me sad too. So don't forget about it. And we're in the profits, so let's update the amount. And I guess let's continue our trading session. We already got a nice profit from just $1. And yep, there's no stopping here for me. Let's find another currency pair. We'll look for the better trade entry, and here's a great chance to open a long position. Let's do that. Now, without thinking twice, we see that the RSI is in the oversold zone, and it should go to the upside in theory. Let's also point out this touch, and it looked like double bottom pattern. Good correction to the downside. Also the trading updating of the local low according to the fractal, and here's in the position for long according to the super trend. So also this double bottom pattern looks like something bad. You know what I mean? Okay, nice entry point. 15 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch, guys. Let's wait. Last seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're in the profits again. Nice. So let's update and let's continue. Find another currency pair for the better trade entry. And let's see, what do we got? Ooh, here we got a nice opportunity for opening along. The further movement is gonna be to the upside. That's why we are doing that. We're doing that again. We're opening along. The upward dynamics takes place. The RSI could be rejected from the oversold zone in theory. Here we got a nice support zone. The super trend also tells us that the best option here, and again here's a deep peak. Okay, so RSI could be rejected from the oversold zone in theory, as I said. So we're opening following the trend direction. We see very low volatility here. Let's focus on our position and continue. The position must be close in the profit. Let's see what we got. Okie dokie. And we're in the profits. Nice. While I'm checking news, so we are in the profits again. Let's open a final trade, I guess. In order to consolidate the outcome, I think it's gonna be enough for today. So we open a final $220 position, and the continuation you will see, I guess, in the next videos. If you will follow me, if you will subscribe to my channel, if you will text me in a Telegram, I can remind you if you want. So, kidding. Let's find the final currency pair. Truly. No, nice pullback I can see here. That's why we're opening a short. The crossing on the RSI did happen here. The movement is going down. Then we also see a nice correction. The fractal shows us the updating of the local high. It means that the following movement is gonna be to the downside if we follow the logic. The super trend also shows that the price dynamics is gonna be to the downside. So we open short position here following the trend. and overall the volatility is not that high. So we're expecting the outcome. There are 15 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch the price movement, and we're gonna be in a profit, right? And 3, 2, 1, we did it. We are in a profit. Nice. That's what we have managed to achieve today, and this is where we stop, guys. We opened so many good trades. Most of them is the long positions. Let's go to my favorite part of the video, and I'm okay with the outcome. Everything is okay. If you will reach much more likes than the previous video, I'll make another part from that balance. And if you will not, I guess this is the first and the last video about reaching huge money. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.